Good morning, everyone. This is Konstantin Vasenko. Today is day 41 of my Success Habits journey. And today I wanted to talk about one more small change that could have a big impact on our lives. Actually, it is taking a walk during lunch time, independently whether you work in the office or maybe right now a lot of people work from home, but still it is a good habit independently where we work because the modern society tends to move a lot less. There is a lot less physical work, more mental work, but our bodies still need the physical load, and that is why having this small walk during lunchtime could also have a great impact because you still move, you still have your some physical activity, which actually what our body needs. So uh, please note, keep in mind, and practice as much as possible having a small walk during lunchtime or whenever possible during evening. This could have huge benefits for our health. And if we are healthy, we are successful. So have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.